Francois Kruger, your research mission, should you choose to accept, improve natural gas recovery.
Natural gas products keep us looking cool, protected, and in the game. But our reserves are running out and are becoming more difficult to reach. In collaboration with Norwegian energy company Equinor, we are investigating ways to more efficiently recover natural gas from under the sea. This problem is quite complex, and we need the strongest team to solve the challenges. A bit like trying to break through a strong defensive line. Here at DTU, we use specialized equipment to replicate conditions under the sea. In our three-phase cell, we're able to prepare mixtures similar to those in natural gas reservoirs. By then adding production chemicals and sampling to a gas chromatograph, we're able to measure the chemical behavior inside of the cell. The data gathered in the cell is used to fine-tune our mathematical models, which are called equations of state. And these models are then used in the design of subsea factories. We know that we won't resolve all of the issues, but if this research can tackle some of the physical challenges, we will stand stronger in the field of natural gas recovery.
Okay, last one, boys. Last one.